This wallet looks like it's on its last leg, but let's see what happens when I put some Leather Honey leather conditioner to the test. You might be surprised. This is Leather Honey leather conditioner. It's been around since 1968 and it's made specifically to restore, protect, and condition real leather, not suede, faux leather, or vinyl. It's non-toxic, pH balanced, made in the US, and totally free from silicone, solvents, or any animal products. It's also water repellent, odorless, and non-sticky, so it's safe for you, your pets, and your favorite leather gear. I made this wallet about a year ago, and it's been through a lot. Pockets, jeans, sun, dry air. I'm gonna follow the directions on the bottle exactly and see what happens. The directions say, apply a small amount of Leather Honey to a lint-free cloth, then thinly coat the surface of the leather. Let it sit for about 2 hours, preferably overnight, and then wipe off the excess. I'm starting with a light, even coat. You don't need much. A little goes a long way, and already it's starting to darken the leather, which is a good sign. After a few minutes, I decided to go in with a second coat on the outside. The leather really soaked up the first one, and I wanted to make sure that it's fully nourished. This wallet's been through some stuff, so I'm giving it a little extra care. Let's go ahead and let this sit for a few hours. I won't be leaving it overnight, but from the looks of it, it doesn't look like leaving it overnight will change the results that much. Alrighty, so I let the wallet sit for about 3 hours. It already feels completely dry to the touch, but just to follow the directions, I'm gonna give it a final wipe with a soft cloth to remove any excess. And here's the result. The leather looks much deeper, smoother, and way more alive. It's actually a little bit softer, has a bit of that original richness back, and no greasy feel whatsoever. This Leather Honey really surprised me. I've tried a bunch of leather conditioners before, but this one is simple, clean, and clearly pretty effective. Whether you've got wallets, boots, bags, furniture, car seats, whatever, it's worth keeping on hand. If you want to try it out for yourself, I've got an affiliate link in the description below. If you pick it up through that link, it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. For people watching on TikTok, the link will be in my link tree, which is in my bio. Let me know if you've ever used Leather Honey leather conditioner before, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.